Hey guys, welcome back to the Fitt Garden. Check out this update. Tell me what you think. Alright, so let's go. Here's one of the bananas that looked like it wasn't doing anything, and now we have this beautiful leaf. I'm going to repot her. This is the mango baby, and I'm not quite sure what it's doing. It's probably thirsty. These are my okra that actually never made anything, but I see this little thing here, so I'm not sure what it's doing. This is the peach that this thing. I started it from a cutting, and it has grown these new babies here. So I'm hoping that it works. Those are my passion fruits that died while I was on vacation. This is the jalapeno that currently has one deformed jalapeno on it, and the rest of them I have been cooking with. This is still a mystery plant that we haven't figured out what it is or what the heck it's doing. Yep, here's my lavender. All the lavender flowers are gone, but it still smells freaking amazing. Oh my goodness, I love it. Peas died. I got like 2 peas off that thing. Here's another mystery plant, still trying to figure out. Kind of looks like tomatoes, but yeah, I accidentally threw some seeds in this thing with this aloe vera. The aloe vera looked like it was dying. Now they're both alive. I'm not quite sure. This is my dragon fruit, baby. And all of this growth, and only to find out that it may or may not even produce. This is the avocado that I started from, an avocado that I was just eating. Like, oh, okay, hey. Here is my Sansevieria, and it is actually growing. I guess it decided it was time. This one is growing as well. Hey, y'all. Go on vacation, come back with another dragon fruit. Not sure quite what it's doing, but it's doing something. Oh, that's gone for it. And these are the tomatoes. They look sad, I know. Another Sansevieria down here. I guess they just were waiting for something, because now they're all growing. Oh, and this is completely fallen over, and it finally looks like it's trying to make some peppers. This thing has been growing forever. I'm gonna probably have to trellis it ASAP. Look at this basil. Hey, basil. Oh, that smells so good. Nice. Look at it. We have some tomatoes still going. I've been popping tomatoes off of here. I made a dish the other day with tomatoes, so still getting fruit. I've just been like super crazy busy, and I'm gonna clean all of that stuff off. Here is the tomato suckers that I got from those a little while ago. They're growing nicely. Oh, look at this baby, about to make some tomatoes. Yeah, so I just threw those in here. These are some sweet potatoes that I need to plant because they are ready. Yep, that was my raspberry, and I'm not sure what was wrong with it, but it died again. It died once and came back to life, very, very healthy, and I guess this time it was like, no, I'm okay. This was all of my green stuff that the caterpillars destroyed. All of those back there are the sweet potatoes that I planted long ago. They were really tiny. I didn't think they were doing anything, and now I guess they are at work. That is my eggplant that got destroyed by some caterpillars and never came back. I tried that, I can't remember the name of it right now, but I tried the neem oil, I believe, and maybe I didn't do enough, but they kept them back. This is my banana baby. This is my ice cream banana baby. Let me tell you about her. When I got her, she was the smallest of the 3. And a guy kept telling me, don't worry about it. She's good. Take her. She's good. She's the most rude. And I'm like, well, look at her. The one that was the biggest died. And the one that had no leaves sticking out of it at all is a grown man with some babies sticking out. Oh, okay. How dare you be so ambitious? This here is my blackberry. Now, contrary to the raspberry, blackberries are doing very well. I'm not sure when they will produce, but I believe it takes a little while. So we got some growth over here. They're doing just fine. This was the red potatoes. We took those. Oh my God, you guys, I have a watermelon. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, shoot. shoot. That's so tight. So yeah, obviously I haven't been out here in a while to notice a whole watermelon. That's so dope. I'm excited, you guys. So that just like turned me up. Anyways, here's a quick update. The next one I will show you. I'm gonna clean all of this stuff up and get it to back how it's supposed to be. I kind of slowed down because we had a really crazy mosquito issue and I was getting destroyed. All right, so I cleaned everything up. It's been a little bit, but I cleaned everything up now. So here we go. Everything is clean. Here my okra baby. It is doing something now. You see her, you see her, you see her. Aloe vera down there. We got those green onions and they holding on. It's still our mystery baby, not quite sure. This one had one jalapeno. It is gone and it looks like all the leaves are going bad. So I think she is done. Sansevieria, lavender, dragon fruit, not doing much but doing something, growing super tall. This baby still hasn't made anything. This is my yellow bell pepper, keeps falling over. I took the other tomato out. It was completely done. This one is still not done, so it's going to keep on going and I'm going to allow it to do just that. This bed is empty, ready for all the greens. These are the tomato suckers. Some of them look to be living and this one looks to be dying. So, but it made this little baby right here, so you never know. These are sweet potatoes, still haven't gone in. I'm waiting for what, I don't know. Sweet potatoes there. These are gonna go in there. Actually, I'm gonna do that today. We'll get to it. Our watermelon baby hasn't done much and it looks as if it's, I guess, done because the stem looks like that. So I'm probably going to see what we have. Oh, look at these. This baby's still making all of this. This is our blackberry coming up. And the banana baby. Y'all know that's my baby right there. And the other banana baby. Mango, avocado, peach, everything doing its thing. So, we back.